That, let us call back on stage our 12 handsome gentlemen in their traditional prom featuring Amir Alcuriza Collection.
Si Ka-Amir
Pag binasag yung video namin, makikita niyo kung gaano kahaba ang process ng barok. Bago yan titingnan namin isa-isa, titingnan yung bunda, lahat.
The materials usually comes from plant, it's either the leaf, the barks, or the roots.
Ang ginagamit namin usually is pinya, na siyang pinakamagandang tela natin dito. Na tayo lang kung gumagawa ng pinya sa pamilya. Siguro dahil sa paggawa ng barong, kasama yung puso namin, buong puso namin ginagawa.
Mali daw yung...
So, lumalabas yun sa product namin.
Kayang dali na Romel yan. Bakit mo nasikat na?
Starting with Al-Ula. Jonard, what a captivating segment indeed.
Yes.
Very classy, right?
Yes, napapawaw na lang ako. Grabe.
Hindi lang tayo, pati just kinilig ba kayong lahat?
Yay!
Oh, yes.
Oo, ang gwapa, diba? Bongga. Nako, uminit na yung competition. Alright, may we call on the pride of Filipino designers in Saudi Arabia, Mr. Amir Al-Qurisa, the man behind the fabulous collection. Yes.
Woo!
Okay, and to give the recognition to the masterpieces, may we ask for the presence of Mr. Choi Lee Productions, Head of Marketing and Publicity, Mr. Nerds, Bakar Taruyan, for the handing of the award to Mr. Amir.
With respect and acknowledgement, Choi Lee Production grants a certificate of gratitude to Mr. Amir Al-Qurisa for his invaluable contribution as a talented designer during the quest for Mr. Grand Philippines Philcom KSA 2024. By that means, bestowing immensely to the brand coronation's prominence and success. Given this hurdle,
Amir Al-Qurisa Choice Award. Alright, while our
Al-Majman Al-Marwa!
congratulations! Al-Majma and Al-Marwa District, congratulations! You are our Amir Al-Qurisa Choice Awardees.
Congratulations, guys.
Amir Al-Qurisa Choice Awardees will receive a sash.
Pinakyaw ni Alche.
Alright, thank you very much.
Not only for myself, but I'm here because of the people who supported me, the people who believes in me. That's why thank you so much for your support, guys.
Wow, lalo sila nag-boost. Meron din factor yung audience impact.
Siyempre naman.
So, dapat yung mga supporters, grant din yung pag-cheer, correct? Para
Yes,
naman
more cheer, more
confidence
confidence para sa
natin.
ating mga candidates.
Yes, congratulations once again.
Alright, thank you very much.
Al-Majma and Al-Marwa. Congratulations.
A round of applause, please.
Moving on, Jonard.
Alright, next up, we have our Miss UP Choice Award. This award is from Miss UP.
Yes, that's right. Miss UP, mamaya po may clarification kami. Wait
Tawagin
lang.
natin si Miss UP as si Miss UP.
Okay, Miss UP Choice Award and Miss Jessie Palmani Choice Award because these awards were chosen by our sponsors. From sponsors po, pinangalanan nila yung kanilang award. Parang Jonard Ortega Diniega Award.
Choice Award, yeah,
Choice
like
Award.
this.
And moving on, Jonard.
And moving on, our Miss UP Choice Award goes to our Miss UP Choice Award goes to Mr. Grant Al-Marwa.
Congratulations, Miss UP Choice Award and Miss Jessie Palmani Choice Award, Mr. Grant Al-Marwa.
Miss UP Choice Award and Miss Jessie Palmani Choice Award will receive such.
Alright,
Congratulations.
alright, ito na guys si Miss UP, ito na yan.
Kaya po,
Sa mga nag-react.
Yes. Okay. Compress the book for the
Right,
photo.
meron.
Alright.
Thank you very much, Miss UP.
Yan, di ba? Oh, sabi sa inyo,
Oh,
wait lang.
okay na po.
Now, moving on to our best in casual wear.
Wait lang, Ange. Meron pang nagbigay ng isang award, minor award from our audience here, from our Jensen TV. We have here Mr. Jensen TV. The winner will receive a cash. Not a Gcash. A cash.
Cash talaga. Di ba
Ayan.
kaya? The grandest of
The grand-
pageant. Yes, in the kingdom. Ayan, di ba?
Ayan na.
Ay.
Alright.
Our Jensen TV Choice Awardee is
Mr. Grand
Almura! Congratulations!
Congratulations to Mr. Grand Almura, our Jensen TV Choice Award. Please do
Thank
the
you so
honor,
much,
Mr.
sir.
Jensen.
On the spot.
Kiss!
Talagang napaka-grand.
Kiss!
Congratulations!
Wait.
Jensen TV Choice Awardee, Mr. Grand Almura.
Oh, okay na.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Ito na to.
Taans, yan na.
Major Award. Best in Casual Wear. Wait, tumalumit. Best in Casual Wear Award
Who's
goes to
your
Almarwa! Congratulations! Yes.
Congratulations.
Pati siya nabulat, di ba?
Mr. Grand Almarwa, our best in casual wear.
The
Casual
winner,
wear, Philippine Airlines event.
the winner of the Best in Casual Wear Award will receive 300 salary reals in cash and a sash.
Halahan.
And congratulations to our winners. You've had the survey. Happy?
Are you guys happy and satisfied?
Thank you so much to our dear candidates and congratulations to our winners who truly deserve the awards.
Yes.
And please prepare. Thank you so much. Please prepare for our next segment. Okay?
Thank you very much, dear candidates.
Thank you so much
Once
to the
again,
Filipino Stars
Stars of
of Jeddah.
Jeddah.
Look at me naman dyan, guys. Thank you so much to our
Once again, a round of applause please for the Filipino Stars of Jeddah.
Sayang na
Thank you very
nabahin.
much.
Alright. Jonan,
Yes, Angie.
the winter is finally over in the kingdom.
Yes.
Can you feel the heat?
Yeah!
Mainit na, di
Sa
ba?
mga, can you feel the heat?
Yay!
Yes daw, yes.
Yes, sige nga.
But maybe, isa pa ako siya.
Sige nga, dahil you can feel the
Yes,
heat.
nag-feel gusto ko nang tanggalin tong botones. Kung pwede lang. Pero reminders lang po sa mga nag-video dyan, bawal po tayong mag-live coverage sa kahit anong mga social media platforms,
Yes, so
okay?
bawal po ang
Once again,
live.
reminder, bawal ang live coverage dahil ang next segment natin is medyo hot to.
Yes.
Excited na ba ang lahat?
Hot! Hot!
Uy, hindi pa. Excited
Hindi,
ba?
parang hindi. Are you guys excited for our next segment?
Alright, that is our cue to once again welcome our 12 seductive candidates in their summer wear featuring Pat George Santos Rosales
Summer Vibes Collection!
Oh, walang damit sa likod. Mapupulmonya ka niyan.
Once again, no live coverage, please.